And of course, we do thank you so much for taking this time to join us. We are at the Liquid Intelligent event where we're so much excited to be here with the Regional Chief Commercial Officer, Mr. Hemilton. Thank you so much for giving us this short, quick brief.
Thank you.
Right, we are here at a Liquid event at Maples Hotel. I know you've been talking a lot of cloud-based services and services that you are offering as Liquid Intelligent, but maybe we need to understand what's really going on here and what is the link between these Microsoft-related packages that you guys have been talking about. But I guess maybe, I know I'm throwing too many questions. For the benefit of our viewers, in short, simple terms, what's going on here?
Thank you, Antonio, for that question. So as Liquid Intelligent Technologies, as the demonstration of the intelligent, this is the part that we are saying for the better part of the last decades, we've been pushing connectivity to our customers. Now that the connectivity is now available to all these customers, what is the next step? How do we get more value out of what we've already done from a network point of view? This is where we are now launching a series of what we are calling the digital transformation journey. This is part of our Tech Tuesdays campaigns. We'll be talking about the series around the migration from the legacy systems into the digital era. So this involves that digital transformation where customers are now looking at adding additional services for productivity, for value extraction, for the benefit of their employees, particularly when you're looking at remote working, when you're looking at how do we optimize on our cost. So this is part of what we are doing today to launch that particular digital journey where we're making use of Microsoft 365.
Mm-hmm. So many people want to understand Microsoft 365 and Liquid Telecoms. What is the link? Because this seems to be purely a Microsoft product that you guys are pushing.
Yeah, that's very true. So Liquid entered into a partnership with Microsoft, which then enabled us as Liquid to start reselling or selling those services into the market. Because they are riding on the existing infrastructure, that partnership then enabled us to be able to provide the service to our end customers who are already on the network. And you're basically saying, since you have got all these things in place, how do we add more value to what you already have, which is the digital journey that we're expecting our customers to go through. We know it's a very difficult area for a number of customers. This is why we are now going through on this series of educating them to say, where are you currently on? How do you then move into the area that we are expecting? So this involves issues to do with assessments of the current environment. When the assessment is done, a recommendation is done for the best solution. With that best solution, will also help in the implementation process, together with the actual training, the workshops that are required, so that our customers are fully versed with these things. So it also comes with issues to do with support, where we support our customers after the deployment has been done.
Mm-hmm. You said something that is very interesting. You have done the fundamental part of the connectivity, which you've done very well, and now you are now into the application layer where you're now getting your customers to start using the various services. How far have you gone in terms of coverage in Zimbabwe so far as Liquid Intelligent?
Right, so we have done a lot. I think from our previous engagements, you would see that from a network point of view, we have done quite a lot. We are talking of excess of 20,000 kilometers of fiber that we have done. And since 2018, this is where we have been looking at now pushing the Microsoft-related services on that network. So we already have got a good number of our customers that have signed up for the Microsoft services. But just beyond having your email, just beyond having your TMs, there are other productivity issues that one has to look at so that there's a full use of what has been deployed. So this is why we are embarking on this journey to ensure that there's full efficiency and utilization of what has been done.
Mm-hmm. How has been the journey? I know you've been talking a lot about your cloud-based services. How is the Zimbabwean uptake market? How has it been responding to this service so far?
The response has been very impressive. We are quite happy with that. So there's a lot of uptake that has happened with customers signing up for the various seats. And obviously, as you know, that we're an intelligent organization from the Liquid Intelligence, we will be showing a demo to our customers that are here. The demo is essentially looking at the applications that are available. Those applications, how can they be of use in the day-to-day lives of the business, including those who are working remotely, and how can they efficiently make use of those applications? And beyond that, we also need to delve a lot on the elements of security, which a lot of our customers are worried about, to say, how are we going to benefit, how are we going to secure our data? So these things will then include the likes of your data retention, data loss prevention, including also things like multi-factor authentication. So all these are security issues to do with protecting the data once it's now in the cloud as part of that full journey. And that education is very important for the customers that are gathered here, so that they are confident to move in that journey in as much as we'll be helping them.
No, we do. Thank you so much. That's Mr. Hamilton, the Regional Chief Commercial Officers with Liquid Intelligence, here talking to us. Nothing much but technology. We'll be back each and every Tuesday talking tech with these various brands. It's a wrap. My name is Tonio. Goodbye.